Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. It is Sunday, January 31st. Oh my gosh, last day of the year 2021. And this is your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock and under 3 minutes. This is episode number 96. For the last couple of days, we have been talking about sales and marketing, and I've been talking about goals and kickstarting your business here in 2021. But on January 31st, this is the day that we need to start focusing on taxes. Hopefully you've got your 1099s out for those of you that have virtual employees or contractors that work for you. And I thought I'd take a couple days and talk about tax deductions, because those are things that can save you money. And as you prepare, like myself, I'm starting the dreaded process of getting my taxes and business taxes ready for my accountant. And let me say, I am not an accountant. You should have an accountant. We talked about that in episode 26. I believe you should have a great accountant, a great doctor, and a great lawyer to keep you out of trouble in your small business. But today I just want to touch the icing on the cake. You can go into more details. You can Google, talk to your accountant about these. I just want to refresh your memory on some things to consider. I work, for those of you that are tuning in for the first time, with lots of small business owners and solopreneurs, and most of the ones I build websites for, this is their first toe into business. So I just want to jog your memory about some things, but you can go deeper into this and again, talk to your accountant about it. So we're going to talk today about Section 179, about education deductions, and about professional association deductions. So let's talk first about Section 179. In layman's terms, it is a part of the tax code that allows you to depreciate or deduct large business expenses. Usually they deal with hard pieces of equipment up to $1 million. I think it's like $1,040,000 or something specific. But they also let you deduct boxed business software, and that's usually where I come into play. So don't forget about that. Make sure you mention that to your accountants. That's called Section 179, and your accountant will tell you more details about that. Business tip number 2 is education. Hopefully you have maybe done Coursera, or you've gotten some Udemy, or you've done some education or got colleges or took a class or something online or offline to help you start your small businesses. I'm seeing that more and more. All of that education is a tax deduction, so make sure you write that down and give that over to your accountant. Business tip number 3 is professional associations. Whether you're a member of your own professional association that fits your business, maybe the Chamber of Commerce, some sort of group that you get together that you're associated with, maybe that you advertise on your website, all of those professional association and the fees associated with them are tax deductible. So again, these are just some random off-the-cuff ideas to make sure you get together and mention to your accountant as you start preparing your taxes. That's, of course, what I'm going to be doing over the next couple weeks as now we are at the end of January. Hopefully this is helpful. I'm always trying to make you awesome. Now go back to sleep.